Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be creating this layout using the October Shimelle inspired Best of Both Worlds homemade kit. And this layout came together very quickly. I'm very happy with how it turns out. It's a little busy, but I feel like the very plain background helps keep your focus on the pictures. This is a great way to use busy pattern paper by just having little pokes and pieces of it showing and not having like a huge, amount of it. So this is I think one of my favorite ways of using busy paper. So thank you for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate you. And if you're not and you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And if you want notifications, click below on the bell and you'll get notifications when I have new content. Thank you so much, and give me 1 second while we speed you up. Well, here we go. So this layout came together pretty quick. I decided to use this purple ombre paper. It's by Paige Evans. I think this was either Bloom Street or maybe Horizon, not 100% sure. I will be using, because I'm only using the stuff in the Best of Both World kit, so this is what I have left. There's not too many full sheets left. I think I have like 3 or 4. So I wanted to try and coordinate the colors in my pictures, which are that purplish color and the orange. This is pictures of my first Dunkin' Donuts. So the orange paper is cut at approximately 6 3/4 by about almost 11 inches, a little shy of 11 inches. And I had to cut my pictures down because I wanted to add 2 more panels, kind of like making it look like it was a like a pocket page type layout. So I'm going to just give it a 1/8 of an inch border, and I'm just basically winging it. So that piece is about 5 1/4 or 5 1/8 by like 6 1/4 approximately. And of course, as usual, I'm having trouble with my paper cutter, which is nothing abnormal. And I'm doing the same thing with this green, well, not green, but this tree paper, which is also by Paige Evans. So yeah, so basically doing the same thing here. So this kit is basically a mishmash of old Hip Kit Club stuff. There are scraps and other pieces of paper that, that went well color-wise, that were in my stash, like Basic Gray, and I think there were Cosmo Cricket. There was a few different things that the colors kind of worked. As you can see, my little green headband poking out. I was doing this recording on St. Patrick's Day, and I had to wear some sort of green. I didn't want to get pinched. So yeah, so I just wanted to make it a little different. And of course, I have to have adhesive issues at least once a month. So I'm going to start adhering things down, and basically that's the composition of my layout. Basically what's left is the embellishing part, and since this was the first time I had my Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin anything for the season, I called it Hello Pumpkin Spice. And I'm just pulling out some leaves and some things that might work from the stuff that's in this collection. Excuse me. And basically I use everything I used is from this kit collection thingy. So I'm going to use that little tag that says "so good," because yeah, it was amazing. and pulling out some of these leaves, and I don't think I really use any of the other words other than the "so good" tag. I pull out this little hip Pink Fresh Studio sticker sheet, and there was one that said "obsessed," and you know, it's an obsession. I do have to have at least a few cups of this pumpkin spice cappuccino a year. So now I'm going to pull a couple tags because I do need journaling space, and I was hoping that I would use the tags for journaling instead of journaling on the purple paper. And this will also help anchor my little clusters. So as you can see, there's more things here. This is definitely from one of the Hip Kit clubs. It may be Paige Evans. It might be one of their exclusive things, that hello word and all the other stuff you see there. I'm not really 100% sure anymore, but I've had it for a while. So I'm going to pop up the hello, and I'm using these pop square adhesives. And I didn't make you watch the whole thing because I put a lot of them on there. And but of course I forgot to take the backs off, so you're gonna have to watch me to do that. And I'm just gonna nestle the hello right above the pumpkin and work it where it will have the minimal like things popping through the O, for example. I didn't want to have too many lines going through it, so that was my main goal, was to have a pretty clear O there. I was planning on using this half wreath, but I didn't want to put things on the outsides tucked in, so I end up not using it, and you'll see me take it off. And I took those two pumpkins, and it had something on there, and I want to say it was like lucky something or lucky day, or I don't know. But I ended up finding another piece of chipboard that said everything nice, and I just plopped it right on top, and you'd never know that it didn't belong there. So I'm going to put these flowers behind the hello. And again, they have gold. Actually, these have like a coppery color, some of them, but I don't know, it's like a weird looking gold. Not as gold as the gold that's on those wood veneers. Yeah, so there you saw me pop that down. I have that round piece, which I will end up above my bottom picture's coffee cup. And it's the same picture, basically, just in different angles. The two pictures that you see there. But I figured, you know what, I didn't want to do a one picture layout, and I had two pictures. So I said, you know what, I'll throw them both on a page. So I'm popping up the cup, although it's a hot cocoa cup. Now that I'm looking at it, I see the marshmallows, but whatever. So I'm going to put, like I mentioned, the round circle that says, okay, but first coffee, because, you know, that's a must. And this little tag that says perfect pumpkin. And here's where I'm going to adhere my my leaves, my wood veneer leaves, and I will put a couple behind my clusters, like to kind of give them a little you know, so there's a little bit of a visual triangle with the wood veneer. You see I have the so good up top, then I have a little cluster on the right side middle of the page, and then another cluster on the left. So I tried to have everything kind of the same, although I did not put a flower up top, but oh well. I added a little chipboard leaf. And basically this layout is pretty much done. I'm going to add some heart wood veneers from my stash, as well as some enamel dots that you could see me flicking through here. And I'm going to add some Heidi Swapp Color Shine. And I'll call it quits right there. My journaling you won't see, but it just says my first pumpkin spice cappuccino and donut of the year. It was delicious. I truly love pumpkin everything. So thanks for watching. If you stick to the end, you'll see a few pictures, close-up pictures of my layout, as well as links to other videos that might interest you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.